Hi everyone, a few months ago there was a lot of excitement in the YouTube community because the DJI Mic 2 could work wirelessly via Bluetooth with the Insta360 Ace Pro. But unfortunately, after a firmware update, this functionality was broken. But a few months later, Insta360 seem to have listened because they've promised in the latest firmware update that the microphone is now working again. So let's get that firmware updated and let's give it a test and see if it works. Alright, let's crack on with the video. Okay, this is a test of the wireless DJI Mic 2 microphone connected via Bluetooth to the Insta360 Ace Pro camera, which now has the latest firmware installed. So we're just doing a test to see how well the connection works and also what the quality like is straight to the Ace Pro camera. So if this is good and they fix the issue, hopefully they have, then this is actually a very nice simple vlogging situation. Because we just need to have the microphone and the camera, and of course we also have the built-in storage on the microphone itself, so that gives us a backup as well. Hopefully I actually hit the record button, it's actually doing a backup of this, so we'll find out later. Okay, so let's now do another test without the Bluetooth microphone to see the difference. We're just using the internal microphones on the Insta360 Ace Pro. Okay, now so this is a test. I'm using the internal microphones on the Insta360 Ace Pro. So just as a comparison really with the wireless microphone, the DJI Mic 2, to see how that sounds. Okay friends, so it looks like Insta360 have actually fixed the issue, and I'm really excited to be able to start using the DJI Mic 2 wirelessly with our Insta360 Ace Pro, because it's a really convenient vlogging solution. Hope the video is useful, and of course it is. Give it a good thumbs up as usual, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Take care, see you soon.